Puppies are reliant on our care and exude a baby-like quality that melts our hearts just like babies tend to do. And today, we've prepared some of the cute puppy videos for your attention. So, let's get started now. Warning, this video may melt your heart. The daughter was carefully choosing the cutest puppy to make her father happy. And along with making him happy, it made him very sentimental as well.
Oh, wow. Hello. Oh, wow.
Hi. Nicely.
Oh, wow.
Told you he'd cry.
Oh, wow. Oh, thank you.
Mum was so worried. She's like, I don't know, I'm nervous.
I was very nervous. I was nervous. No barking. No barking.
Incredible, thank you.
Graduation is a special day, so the present also has to be very special. As for this graduate, it was a husky puppy that she'd been dreaming about for several years. And of course, her long-lasting dream did not leave her without tears of happiness.
Yes.
Yeah. All the way up.
The love of parents made their kids cry, as they see the real example of care and love throughout the ages and years. And this time, the father surprised the mom with a puppy for Christmas.
I told you she needed a buddy.
Oh my God.
He was waiting for you all the way home.
The baby-like features of a pug puppy evoke a caregiving response that make us want to act as protectors. So, it was a great surprise for a mother who needed to take care of a pet so that she doesn't feel lonely.
Does that have a pee-pee? Oh my God.
Oh.
Even today, I was so like, oh, you want to see this? Oh my God. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Oh, honey.
On her birthday, the daughter decided to thank her mother for the life that she gave her and presented her with the sweetest puppy. This lovely daughter was ready to make any dream of her mother come true on Christmas to see her smile. And she made it by presenting her a puppy. The mother was stunned by the surprise of her daughter. She immediately started mesmerizing the little white puppy. At the beginning, she was the only one who wanted and loved the new puppy, as the family already had a dog. However, very soon the whole family started to admire and love her puppy.
It's your baby. It's what you always wanted, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, but he's gonna be so big.
I know, and that's what you love.
But oh my God.
Look at him wag his tail.
People say the loss of a dog can compensate for the purchase of a new puppy only. Indeed, as for the father who lost his dog Cody, the new puppy was a necessary present to continue living a full life. The daughter thought they should extend the family as she wasn't planning to get married or give birth anytime soon. So she decided to bring a puppy into her family instead.
Hold him. Hold her.
Oh my God. Oh my God. No way. Are you? Oh. She's so adorable. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
Have you ever asked parents what their unrealized childhood dreams were? Well, you better do it, because it may be something you can make true for them, as this daughter did for her parents by presenting them a puppy of their dreams. The daughter knew her father does not have best friends and doesn't trust anyone but dogs. So she surprised him with a puppy so that he has a bestie. Taking a few seconds here, we'd kindly remind every generous heart out there to subscribe, as your small gesture means a lot to us. Thanks. Love fades away as the couple grows, and the only thing left in between is a small act of service and support in difficult days. Well, we can say this couple doesn't have a problem with that, as the wife made the best surprise for her husband that touched his heart. The daughter felt bad moving out with the family dog, as she felt like she left her family alone. And 2 years later, she decided to correct the situation by surprising the dad with a puppy. So this way, she doesn't feel guilty anymore, and everyone's happy. The daughters of the woman knew no other pet could replace the one that she had before and had lost. However, they thought their mother could start a new chapter with a new puppy. And by the mother's reaction, they were right. Shout out to the sister who willingly makes their younger brother's wishes come true, as the sister's mission was to find a Dachshund puppy, as her brother dreamed, and she completed her mission perfectly well.
Ay, están bien bonitos los salchichas. La oreja. ¿Son igualitos o este más oscurito? Él está más grandecito, maybe, ¿no? Más oscuro. Él está más oscuro.
The daughter was so happy, and couldn't remember the last time that her mom was this excited. It was when she'd surprised her older dog with a new little member. Majority say that early presents are not permissible. However, not the one from the wife and the puppy. One that was dreamed of for a long time. No matter when the dream puppy comes, we wish it brings them more happiness and luck.
Stop playing.
Ain't he cute?
Where you get this dog at?
I bought him.
Where?
I found him.
Where?
I'll show you pictures of all the different ones.
Where'd you
Ain't he cute?
Why you be playing so much?
You don't want him?
Where'd you get him at?
Babe, I bought him. Look at his face.
It was a very emotional day after the man lost his best friend 7 years ago, as his stepdaughter made a present of a Belgian Malinois for Christmas.
You're ready for lots of fun with me. My mum and dad are very highly trained protection dogs and have champion lines. My brother Clinton has lots of information and all of my grandparents and old brothers and sisters. I can't wait to be with you in a few weeks' time. Make sure you have plenty of treats and time for me to play and training. Me to you forever, companion. Unfortunately, you can't take both of us and must choose if you want a boy or a girl. Look forward to meeting you on the 12th of February. Love from your best friend to be. To Dad and Granddad, thanks for doing what you have done this year and next. Do not kill us for doing this, you deserve it. One thing I will ask of you for your new companion is to slow down now and enjoy the time you have with him and the family. Lots of love, Clinton, Jodie, Corbin, Keely, February.
And also, we wish you loved the puppy videos that we collected for you. For more, remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you soon.